Hello, my name is Charbel, and I'm a certified Workfront consultant here at Monvo. In today's video, I will be talking about the different features and functionalities that get transitioned to the new Workfront experience, what is different or improved in the new experience, what are the features that are exclusively available in the new experience. I will then briefly touch on some of the features that were available in the classic experience but are not in the new experience. And finally, I will go over some key takeaways when migrating to the new experience. Please note that Workfront will stop offering support for the Classic experience as of March 31st, 2022. In addition, the Classic experience will not be available anymore after July 2022. So what transitions to the new experience? All of the data that is tied to your projects, user settings, forms, custom fields, any historic information, and request queues get transitioned. Favorites and recents of all of the users, all of your instance global settings, any out-of-the-box reports and dashboards, as well as any custom reports and dashboards created by any user in the instance, as well as all your templates. This includes project and task templates. So what is different or improved in the new experience? The main navigation tabs that are part of the home page in the Classic experience have now been moved to the main menu. As you can see, this is the Classic experience. These are the tabs. And in the new experience, these have been moved to the main menu. Subtabs in projects, tasks, and issues have been replaced by a centralized area, the left panel menu. The Classic experience, if you go to a project, these are the subtabs: project details, updates, documents, issues, risks, and more. Whereas in the new experience, these are now part of the left panel menu, which can be collapsed or expanded. Layout templates have been improved in the new experience. There are still some functionalities that are inherited from the Classic experience. However, additional information and features, as well as a new UI, have been implemented. This is the layout template page in the Classic experience. And this is the layout page in the new experience. As you can see, the UI has been redesigned. The toolbar has a new modern look to it, making it more noticeable and better to work with. You can now easily add a custom form through the project's details. This is the toolbar in the Classic experience. And this is the toolbar in the new experience. You can see it has a more modern look to it. And you can easily add a custom form right now from the campaign details. Breadcrumbs have now been improved to help you have a better understanding of the hierarchy of the objects that you are accessing, as well as the type. So if we access a project in the Classic experience, this is the breadcrumb. You can see it has somewhat of a small font, whereas in the new experience, it has a bigger font and it shows the object type, portfolio, and campaign. What are some of the exclusive features and functionalities offered in the new experience? The site summary panel is now available at the project level to help users do their work without having to navigate outside of the project window. The menu bar now gives you the option to pin frequently used items for faster accessibility. You can directly pin this project here. Now it is available. Expanded group administrator functionalities, where a group administrator can now manage group-specific settings, such as project preferences, statuses, and timesheet profiles. Workfront Goals and Workfront Scenario Planner are now available in the new experience. They each require a specific license or a plan. With Workfront Scenario Planner, you can evaluate multiple scenarios to help you choose the best path forward. Note that it requires a business or a higher Workfront plan to access Scenario Planner. With Workfront goals, you can set strategic goals to deliver measurable outcomes by keeping everyone focused on key initiatives. Note that it requires a Pro or higher Workfront plan, as well as a Workfront Goals license to access it. What features were available in the classic experience but are not in the new experience? My legacy work has now been replaced by home. You can see here in the classic experience, this is my legacy work. However, in the new experience, you don't have the option to switch to the legacy work. All reviewers now have access to the home page, whereas in the classic experience, it was the My Updates page. And finally, the user's profiles page has been updated, where some of the tabs have been removed. These tabs are as follows: the Working On tab, Work On Request, Accomplishments, and Documents. So what are some general key takeaways when migrating to the new experience? Users don't have to relearn everything to use the new experience. A lot of the functionalities from the classic experience are available in the new experience. Layout templates are very powerful and can help users access their work much faster. Configuring these templates is relatively simple and doesn't take much time. And finally, the new user interface has been built so that users have a more simplified experience. The transitions will not cause any interruption of the daily work as long as the migration process goes smoothly and users receive the necessary training. That's it for me today. Thank you. Goodbye.